Hello, this is Aria from Wenzhou Xiaoyu Packing. Do you know these details of the stand-up pouch? What's the effect of them? These Kraft paper packing bags are made of multi-layered materials with aluminium painting inside. This combination can make the package be more lightproof, increasing the barrier nature of oxygen and water vapor. And we use food-grade material like PE. We strictly ensure the food safety. And we also have tear notch and zipper. The tear notch can open the bags more easily, and the zipper is designed to switch the bag repeatedly. You can open it or close it many times. That's all. More details, feel free to contact us.